In this video, I'll show you how to switch from Accountant View to Business View in QuickBooks. If you're already logged in, you'll arrive on your QuickBooks dashboard. From anywhere inside QuickBooks, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon to open the Settings menu. Scroll toward the bottom of the menu and look for the option called Switch to Business View. Click on it. QuickBooks will take a few moments to update the layout and then switch your account to Business View. Business View is designed to provide a simpler and more streamlined experience for business owners and non-accountants. Changing views does not affect your company data, transactions, invoices, or reports. It only changes how QuickBooks organizes and displays the interface. You can continue working normally after switching, and all your existing records will remain intact. If you decide you need access to the more detailed accounting tools again, simply click the gear icon in the top right corner and select Switch to Accountant View. QuickBooks allows you to switch between the two views anytime, so you can use whichever layout best fits your needs. And that's how to switch from Accountant View to Business View in QuickBooks.